5 little ducklings were swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 and only 4 little ducklings came back. 4 little ducklings were swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 and only 3 little ducklings came back. 3 little ducklings were swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 and only 2 little ducklings came back. 2 little ducklings were swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 and only 1 little duckling came back. 1 little duckling was swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 and no little duckling came back. Good children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. I'm also fine. Today we have mathematics, and our topic is still counting and estimating quantity. Our subtopic is skip counting backwards by 5s. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to skip count backwards by 5s. I'm your facilitator, Branford Eje Akun. To skip count backwards by 5s, subtract 5 to get the next number. To skip count backwards by 5s, subtract 5 to get the next number. Example, subtract 5 to get the next number in the skip counting by 5s. The first one, we have 50. To get the next number, you subtract 5 from 50. So 50 minus 5 will give you 45, as you can see on your screen. To get the next number, it is 45 minus 5, you get 40. To get the next number, it is 40 minus 5, it will give you 35. To get the next number, it is 35 minus 5, it will give you 30. Good. So let's take our next example. We have 85. So put 85 in your head, then count 5 of your fingers backwards. So let us do it. 85. You have 84, we have 83, we have 82, we have 81, then we get 80. So you can see on the screen that 85 minus 5 gave us 80. Good. To get the next one, that is 80 minus 5. So 80 in your head, then you count 5 backwards. So 80 in your head, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75. Very good. So 80 minus 5 will give you 75. Then the next one, it will be 75 minus 5. That will give us 70. The next one will be 75 minus 5. It will give us 70. The next one will be 70 minus 5. It will give us 65. And you keep on until you get to the last number. Note that in skip counting backwards, the number keeps become smaller and smaller and smaller. So you see that the number will be reducing and will be becoming smaller and smaller. Then it means that it is skip counting backwards. Let's look at more examples and try our hands on it. As the first one, we have 50 on your screen, 45, 40, 35, 30, and 25. What will be the next one? You count backwards 5 steps. Let's all do it. 25 in your head. We have 24. We have 23. We have 22. We have 21. We will get 20. Very good. The next one will be 20. You remove 5 from it to give us 15. And the next number will also give us 10. The second example, example B, starting from 90. We have 90, 85, 80. What will be the next one? 80 minus 5 will give us 75. Then 75 minus 5, the next one will give us 70. Then 70 minus 5 will give us 65. Then 65 minus 5 will give us 60. So already on your screen. Then 60 minus 5 will give us 55. We take our last example, example C. We have 120. 120, the next one is 115. To get the next number is 115 minus 5. Let us all try and do it. Put 150 in your head and count 5 steps backwards. So 115, then we get 114, 113, 112, 111, 110. Very good. So you see that the next number, 110 minus 5, it will give us 105. Good. Then the next one is 100 on your screen. 100, we want the next number. So you remove 5 from 100. So 100 minus 5. Let us all count it backwards 5 steps. 100 in your head. We have 99. We have 98. 97. 96. 95. Very good. So 95, the next one is minus 5, is 90 on your screen. So 90 minus 5 to get the next number will give us 85. Children, this brings us to the end of our lesson for today. Today we have learned about how to skip count backwards by 5. We said if you want to skip count backwards by 5, make sure you subtract 5 from the number to get the next number. You can put the bigger number in your head and you count 5 of your fingers backwards to get it. That will also help you. Your notes will be in the portal. Go to learning material section, click on mathematics. You get all your notes with more examples. Then you get to the assignment column and make sure you do your work and you submit it to me. You can watch the video again before you do the work. Till we meet again.